This RV is dirty. We like to wash it as often as we can, but we don't get a chance to do a real good deep cleaning and waxing. But we know it's important to do, especially once a year. Right now we're in Las Vegas and we found a great company that's going to do an amazing job, and we're going to show you about it. So if you're ever in Las Vegas area, these are your guys to call. So they're up top scrubbing down the roof, getting all the junk from all the travels cleaned and off. Then we're gonna go on to the next step. Here are the guys working hard. I think fantastic job.
Yes.
It was really dirty and now it's really, really clean.
Yes.
Shiny again, looking like the
Woohoo!
RV we bought.
Yes.
So big thank you to Red Rock RV Wash.
Yep.
If you're in Las Vegas, I highly recommend you use them. They were preferred in our RV park, so that helped us find them. We looked up their reviews. Everyone had good things to say, and we agree, and we're going to put our own review in to let you know how much we like them.
Also, what's great is when you go to make an appointment, we were worried because we're only here for a week that we wouldn't be able to maybe get in. But no, they had openings available, so they will work with your schedule to get you fitted in, which is fantastic.
Yeah, we really appreciate it, and now we have a clean ride.
All right.
Ain't nobody dope as me. So fresh and so clean. No, she never likes it when I say.
At the car wash. At the car wash, yeah. Woo woo.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks.